Cape Cod is a long peninsula off of Massachusetts that we've had the honor and privilege of living in for the last couple of months. And I'm about to take you through the home where we have been living. Welcome to Sidewaves. It's a little unfortunate that it feels like as soon as the weather's finally nice and we can finally use our patio furniture that it's almost time for us to leave, but we have so much seating and beautiful space outside to enjoy with food when I work or whenever we want with friends. Let's go inside. Actually, pause. Before we go inside, we actually have this wonderful outdoor shower, which is really common around here because we're living like 2 blocks from the beach. Funny enough, the shower is actually bigger than our shower inside. Okay, now let's go inside. Sidewaves is a home that we found on Furnished Finder, which is usually how we travel and find furnished places to live. So come on in, I'll show you the kitchen first. One nice thing about traveling so much is we kind of get to figure out what we want in a place. This has definitely showed me I would love to have more counter space, but this fridge is amazing. Our new microwave is amazing. Usually these places come equipped with everything that you need for cooking, so pots and pans, baking sheets, obviously all of the fridge, the toaster, the coffee maker. This one was pretty stacked with everything we need and even extras. Oh, and this place even has its own custom-made wine glasses. The fridge has been incredibly spacious, perfect for everything we need. I don't think I've ever had so many condiments in my life, but there's a whole shelf or 12 shelves for them. When we travel, one thing that makes a place feel very personal is having all of our magnets and photos, so that's one of the best things I would say that we bring with us that really makes it feel like our space. Welcome to our living room, our living space. We have, once again, a fireplace that we cannot use, unfortunately, but all of our very nautical decor is here. Because this is a place that people generally rent out for their family summer vacations, it is very beach forward. Everything is about the water and living on the Cape and Call Me From the Bridge and all of these cute little Cape Cod references all around our house. It's been very cute. So let's actually turn you around. Let's go into our bathroom. As noted, this is not the biggest bathroom. I don't know if my cameraman can even get inside of it with me. So like, as you can see, this is very much like Girl Scout camp shower vibe is how I feel. There's just not a lot of space for yourself in reference to having also all of your products. And this is the rest of the bathroom, definitely just big enough for one person at a time. Also, these are so see-through. We literally had to buy, like, I always freak out being in the bathroom naked because I'm like, my neighbors could literally see me. Because this is so see-through, we actually had to buy additional curtains, as I'll show you in a moment, for our living room. Okay, this is actually probably the biggest space we have ever rented. As you saw last, we were in South Carolina and then we were renting our first home. And this home actually has a total of 3 bedrooms. This has been really nice for having guests. We've had some friends and family stay with us. It's also been so helpful with storage because we have all these extra closets. By the time you're seeing this, we have already moved, which is why I'm feeling so confident about showing you everything about this place. All the extra closet spaces have been very helpful for our storage. Okay, are you ready for the creepy basement?
Not creepy. I think it's fun.
It makes it feel like there's spiders gonna crawl on me, but let's go downstairs. The people that we rent from, they have, because they rent this as a vacation spot for so many people, there is a ton of fun stuff here. There's can jam, there's a dartboard, there's a foosball table, and all sorts of beach equipment that you can take to the beach with you, which is super cool that we've got all these fun activities to do while living here. So come on down. As you can see, it's an unfinished basement, which I just think I feel like there's spider webs everywhere. Since living here, I have learned that I am an absolute foosball champion. Obviously, all of this space can be used for storage. A lot of this is our storage, and all of this over here actually is their storage. So they've got backup glasses, beach towels, like I said, like cleaning supplies, all of these things, because for the most part, they are vacation weekend rentals. But our landlords here have been really amazing in helping us fix things, find things, figure things out. So, and they're very, evidently very prepared. Oh wait, also, this is the first time I've ever had a 2-in-1er. This washes and dries in one cycle. Through the living room. This TV has been set up with a lot of the streaming service, which has been awesome. These are the additional curtains that we bought just for additional privacy because I listen to a lot of true crime and I just don't like the idea of someone being able to see in through my windows, especially at night. So we just got an extra layer of coverage. Evidently there's a lot of seating, so when we have had guests, everyone can hang out together in the living room. Another closet that we have, which is awesome. This one was also very helpful because when the power went out, when we first moved in, the games that they had stocked up here are what kept us entertained for a while. But this is just an extra coat closet. We have a lot of our coats and things, and then they have a lot of like children's toys, some more cleaning supplies, and games. To the last section of the house. Let's go. It actually is so crazy because as you walk up the stairs, it gets like 12 degrees hotter. It's crazy, just in this stairwell. Okay, the last two parts of the house are 2 more bedrooms, which has been so awesome because we actually had a lot of people visit. Logan's whole family came to visit and my dad, I had friends visit, and it's been really cool that we're able to house everybody. So come on into our last guest bedroom. I do like this bedroom because I feel like the acoustics are great in this room. I recorded some podcasts in here, subscribe to the podcast. And also it gets the most natural light with these 2 windows. And I just love some natural light. So we have 2 different beds. This one also has another mattress that pulls out underneath it. Because of the shape of the house, these closets are like slanted, but honestly it works out because it's just enough storage for all of our things. And last, arguably the most important room of the house because I sleep here and I love a bedroom, is our bedroom. This was like the evident option of which one is going to be our room because of the bed. This is where all of the
Magic happens? Is that what you're gonna say?
Yeah, but I meant it in the way of like I do a lot of work in bed.
You can't do that.
I really like this room also because of the shape of the house. I just kind of feel like it's like very cozy, very cottage-esque because of the way that the ceiling is. I just find it very charming, and Cape Cod overall is like a charming place, and it's really cool to like feel that all the way throughout my living space as well. Because there's only one dresser in here, we did have to take advantage of the guest room just so that Logan and I's stuff all could fit here. Cape Cod has been a wonderful place to us. There's been plenty of good restaurants, thrift stores, people that we've encountered. The beach is so close and so beautiful. It's been just such a blessing to have access to it with such ease. It's definitely going to be a place that we hold dear in our hearts forever and all of time to come. As stated before, we rent with Furnished Finder when we travel, and our landlords right now have been so helpful and very responsive in helping us figure things out. Like I said, the power was out when we first moved in and they were so helpful figuring out all of that. There was a situation with our microwave and just things that come up, and they've just been very good at being landlords. The reason I also love renting is because of that, because I don't want to have to deal with figuring out when things go awry. It's great that I am not the one responsible for that because I don't own the house. And for me, that's definitely worth the price. I don't have to mow my own lawn. I don't have to do my own yard work. I don't have to fix things when they break or when things go not as planned. And that's been a really awesome thing with renting through Furnished Finder because we have everything we need. One thing I did fail to mention was the fact that we did not have a mailbox because we were living on a private road and the landlords didn't want to pay to receive mail. So it was really difficult anytime we were getting a package delivered. So I definitely had a lot more unplanned trips to the post office than I ever expected to. Another thing that we've noticed about Cape Cod, which is super cute, and maybe it's in other places as well, but because it's a super vacation home place, all these little cottages and homes have names. So Sidewaves, I highly recommend if you're ever trying to visit Cape Cod and you need a place to stay, check out Sidewaves in Dennisport. You will not regret it. This is an awesome property. Drop in the comments if you've ever visited Cape Cod, if this has ever been a special place for you, and if not, why haven't you? Definitely come out and visit if you have the opportunity to, and keep living large. We'll catch you on the flip. Oh, get the balloon out of there. See, it's gonna go backwards now. And be hot.
Hot.
I don't know.